I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Search Console, choose the URL prefix property, and paste your blog's exact URL. Make sure www versus non-www matches. Once done, pick the HTML tag verification method and copy the meta tag string. Next, switch to Blogger, open Theme, click Edit HTML, and insert the tag into the head section above /head. Save the theme changes, then return to Search Console and click Verify. Once verified, continue by ensuring Search Console recognizes your pages. If the meta tag verification failed, recheck placement inside head and that there's no duplicate tags, then resave. Next, generate a sitemap, Blogger's Atom feed or sitemap. XML, then open Search Console's Sitemaps section and submit it. After submission, use URL inspection to fetch as Google and request indexing for key pages. Make sure to monitor the coverage report for errors and warnings as pages are crawled. To complete setup, confirm data flows into performance and coverage within a few days. Check mobile usability and core web vitals for issues. Make sure your preferred domain is consistent and canonical tags don't block indexing. Update robots. TXT only if you understand the rules. If pages aren't indexed, resubmit the sitemap and use inspect request indexing after fixing problems. Troubleshooting tip. If verification fails, clear Blogger cache. Reinsert the exact meta tag, wait a minute, and try verification again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.